Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss a very interesting and beautiful definite integral that involves box x. As you can see, we want to calculate definite integral of e to the power x minus box x from 0 to 100. Okay, so how do we deal with it? So first, we will divide it into sub intervals. So 0 to 1 x minus box x dx, 1 to 2 e to the power x minus box x dx, then 2 to 3 e to the power x minus box x dx, and so on till the last one will be 99 to 100 e to the power x minus box x dx. Okay. Now, next I will show you only the last part first, how to calculate this portion. Suppose I put, okay, before that, we will simplify a little bit. Sorry, we will first simplify this a little bit. What we'll do is we'll put the values of box x here. So 0 to 1, we know from 0 to 1 box x is 0. So this becomes actually x minus 0, that is e to the power x dx. Now what happens to the next one? From 1 to 2 box x is 1. So this becomes e to the power x minus 1 dx. Similarly, 2 to 3 e to the power x minus 2 dx, and the last one is 99 to 100 e to the power x minus box x dx. Now let me explain first the last part of the integration. Sorry, I made a mistake here. This will be x minus 99, because you know 99 to 100 box x is 99, right? So now here I put x minus 99 equal to say t, then dx equal to dt. Also let's check the limits. When x is 99, t is 0, and when x is 100, t is 1. So this portion becomes integration 0 to 1 e to the power t dt. So this is easy to understand. Now what is the interesting thing? The interesting thing is this same thing will happen to each of these integrals. Suppose I call this one I1. I call this as I2, I3, and so on. So if you make the substitution, for example, if you make the same substitution here, x minus 2 equal to say m, then you will again end up with 0 to 1 et dt or 0 to 1 ex dx. Same thing. So this same thing happens in each of these parts. So ultimately what happens is, now you can see here this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 100. So how many terms are there? So naturally there are 100 such terms. So the whole thing boils down to 100 into integration 0 to 1 e to the power x dx. So you see how simple and beautiful this is. So it becomes 100 into e to the power x. The limits are from 0 to 1. So now if you just calculate, you will get 100 into e minus 1. So this is the answer. Now note one thing, that is, you get here 100 when in the original sum the upper limit is 100. So in the original sum, if the upper limit is 1000 or 2000 or even 2021, you will get the same thing here. So this is generally true. So let me write it down. So note Here, if you have, this is the generally true. So if you have from 0 to n e to the power x minus box x dx, then that will become n into e to the power 1. So this is generally true. So you see, this is actually, the sum looks very difficult, but actually the sum is very easy. I hope this helps.